Good morning, Beverly Hills. I'm Owen Terry, your SCA Secretary.
And I'm Melissa Kelly, your SCA President. And this is the news for Thursday, January 30th, 2020.
First, we would like to introduce Miss Riker.
She has some wonderful books to share with us.
Good morning. With the book fair coming along, I thought I would share some books that had to go with the theme of animals. My first book that I want to share is called The Tiger Rising, and this is about a boy who lost his mother, and he and his father have to move, and they begin living in a hotel. And one day, this little boy, whose name is Rob, goes behind into the woods of the hotel and finds a tiger that's living in a cage. On the same day, he meets a new girl in school, and her name is Sistine. They become friends, and then together decide what should they do about the tiger. The next book I have is called The Lion Who Stole My Arm. This is a really good book. I love it a lot. The boy is named Purdue, and he loses his arm in an attack of a lion. And so he lives the rest of his life trying to become strong, a strong warrior, just like his father, and wants revenge on this lion. And when the chance comes, you have to see, does he get his revenge or not? One of my all-time favorite animal books is The One and Only Ivan. I love this book so much. It's about a gorilla who actually is stuck in a mall in a small cage for over 20 plus years. There are other animals also in the mall, and one of them is an elephant. And a small elephant comes along, and Ivan has made a promise to help get the little elephant out of this mall and into a zoo. It's such a fabulous book. I can't say as much about that. Well, if the book is too big for you, we also have this companion book called Ivan, the Remarkable True Story of the Shopping Mall Gorilla. And this is based on the true story, so it's got some facts in there. And it's about how Ivan, when he was small, came all the way when he was caught by poachers to the United States, where he lived again in the mall. It ends really well at the end. That he ends up going to Zoo Atlanta, where I'm from, Georgia, and things happen really well for him. I also want to talk to you a little bit about the shared bookcase. I love that you guys are getting books, and it's fabulous, but I also want to let you know we're kind of running out of books. The shared bookcase is called Shared because we want to share the books with each other. I love it. If you find a book that you absolutely love and want to keep, that's great. But we need you to bring the books back so that you can share them with other folks. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you, Miss Riker.
We should look for some of those books at the book fair.
Speaking of the book fair, did you know it was next week?
Yes, and we get to check it out as a class on Monday or Tuesday.
Here's another author promo. Enjoy.
I love a good hot dog. What? Oh, you wanted me to talk about my book, Hot Dog. Hi, I'm Undone, the creator of Hot Dog. Hot Dog is a wiener dog, so his legs are short and his body is really long. It's so long it goes over a few pages. Having tiny legs makes it hard for Hot Dog to do some things like playing the guitar or tying your shoelaces. But it makes it easy to do other things, like playing hide and seek. You can't see me, can you? No. No. Lizzie is one tough lizard. She isn't afraid of anything, except for one thing: heights. She can also blend in with anything, which means Hot Dog bumps into her a lot. Kev the cat is goofy and lovable. He's always dressed up in some weird costume, like a shark or a cow. He's also really lazy and uses a grabbing tool for everything. You know he has a grabbing tool for his grabbing tool. When Hot Dog, Kev and Lizzie find a baby bird that's fallen out of its nest, they decide to go on a mission to find its mother. The search takes them on a crazy adventure where they've got penguins taking selfies and karate chopping Justin. What's that awful smell? Ew! They have to change the baby bird's diaper.
Yuck.
Will Hot Dog and his friends ever find the baby bird's missing milk? I think you'll love my book because it's about three friends who never quit and it's super funny.
Good morning, Bedford Hills Elementary. Will you please stand for the pledge?
My book, Hot Dog, at your Scholastic Book Fair.